Hello my lovelies and welcome back. So in today's tutorial we are going to do a Valentine's Day inspired look. This is actually inspired by this shirt that I got at Charlotte Russe about 3 years ago, I want to say. I am filming this early just because I am going to be in Tennessee while Valentine's Day happens, so I really don't plan on filming any makeup tutorials while I am down there. I do plan on vlogging though, so you may see some part of me doing my makeup or even Shelby's makeup at some point, so we'll see. If you have any questions at all, just leave them down below and I will answer them as best as I can. Please ignore this messy ass bun that is happening. I was just way too lazy to actually do my hair considering it's 10:30 at night. So without further ado, I'm just gonna let you slide on into this video. If you have any makeup ideas that you want me to film, let me know. I would be more than glad to film them. I'm actually running out of ideas to film. I'm not running out of ideas, I just feel like everything I want to do is very similar to something that I've already done. Like I've already done something similar to this, but I really don't care. I'm rambling on now. So without let's just get into this video, dude. Let's just do it. I hope you all enjoy. Bye. So I'm going to be using the Morphe Dare to Create 39A. So to start, I'm going to be using Bare, which is this color. I'm going to use that from my lash line to my eyebrow bone. So picking up Bare, I'm just going to place that from my lash line to my eyebrow. My next step is to pick up Passion. We're going to be picking up Passion, which is this color. And then the next color I'm going to use is Forever, which is that one. And I'm barely going to use that color. So first I'm going to be using Passion, and then it's going to be going into Forever. Okay, so I am stressed to the max about this look. So picking up Passion. And a small fluffy blending brush. I'm just going to blend it in my crease and above. This process just involves a lot of blending. That's really all you're going to do is blend and 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 blend some more until your hands hurt. And then just repeat the same exact steps on the other eye. So I do end up going back in and covering my lid area so that it's all just the same color. Okay, so my next step is to go in with my Colourpop Super Shock highlighter. Actually, it's called a Super Shock Cheek, but it's a highlighter in the color Flexitarian. And I'm going to be picking that up on a small, I don't even know what kind of brush this is. It's just small, literally. And then I'm going to place that in my eyelid, on my eyelid, not in it. So then I'm going to be using my Glow Kit by Anastasia and Nicole Guerriero. I know you can't tell, but that's what it is. I'm just going, you could use any shade of pink that you want to set that with, but I'm going in with Forever Young. You could use an eyeshadow if that's what you want to do. And then I'm just going to be tapping that over the highlighter. And then just repeating the same steps on the other eye as well. Next, I'm putting on eyeliner. Now I'm removing the tape, and then I'm going to take a makeup removing wipe and just clean up all that fallout, and then we're going to move on to the face. Okay, so to start out with my face, I'm going to go in with the Sunday Riley CEO Rapid Flash and Brightening Serum. Going in with my Nivea Men's Sensitive Post Shave Balm. Going in with my Smashbox Primer, which this is probably one of my favorite primers. So after that, I'm going to go in with my foundation, which of course is my Milani 2-in-1 concealer and foundation, and then my Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation. And as you know, I always go in with my Wet n Wild. So then I'm going to be taking my bareMinerals Perfecting Face Brush. I'm going to do a couple drops of my Argan oil. And then I'm going to blend this all together. So going in with my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light. Going in with the bareMinerals Invisible Light. I'm going in with the matte shade, and I'm just going to set my under eye. Who the fuck is at my house on snowmobiles? I just drew the biggest blink of my life. Okay, so next I'm going to be going in with my Bodyography Brow Trio. And then I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I will be right back. Eyebrows not done. So I have did my eyebrows. And I forgot what's next. I'm just going to put on some eyeliner until I remember what else to do. I'm gonna tightline. So next, I'm going to go in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Light Bronzer. And I'm gonna light bronze my face. This is not the brush I wanted. But Brianna hid my brush somewhere. So then I'm going in with the next shade, which is bronzer. I'm gonna contour my cheekbones. Then I'm going in with my Milani Baked Blush in the color Luminoso. This is my Holy Grail. And I'm going to smile. Place that on the apples of my cheeks. And then I'm going in with my Colourpop thingy and a beauty sponge. And then I'm going back in with the bareMinerals Invisible Light powder thingy, and I'm going in with the Glow color. Honey! I'm going in with that same highlighting powder and just putting that on my inner corner. But I feel like that is it. Is that all I do with my makeup? No. Duh. Lips, Skylar. Lips, Skylar. Going in with my NYX, this is Nude Pink. Look at that fucking highlight though. Oh my god. Going in with the Colourpop Amanda Steele Ultra Satin Lip in the color Jiffy. I can't get over that highlight. Bitch, I still got it. I am going to go in with my NYX Butter Gloss. I'm not going in with my NYX Butter Gloss. Honey, I cannot get over that. And that is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I love you all.